A mob in Gachie lynched a man after he attempted to kill his 78-year-old father. The angry mob pounced on him as he was torturing his father with a knife. The father to the deceased has been rushed to Kiambu Referral Hospital, where he is undergoing treatment.
The deceased was killed by a mob as he was about to kill his 78-year-old father. It is alleged that this is not the first time the deceased had engaged in such an act, as he had earlier injured his 3 siblings in similar fashion, and they too were saved by neighbors. The neighbors reported that the deceased pretended to be deaf and dumb and was later released by the police as a result.
20 choo hata choo tuwezi enda juu wako karibu na choo. Ametua tu kutusumbua tukienda posta hakuna Kenya inashughulikiwa.
Mimi hata tukipatana naye kwa barabara huwa anaenda mbio. Sisimami.
Neighbors are asking the police to be vigilant to the cry of the people for increased security. The man's father was rushed to Kiambu Referral Hospital for treatment. Helen Aura, NTV.